Let's do something for machine builders. Let's do something about how load management systems are designed for more efficiency and more reliability. Let's do something innovative. Introducing the TeSys Island Digital Load Management System. Engineer, build, and deliver machines faster and easier than ever. And when you do, design for any load, any PLC. Now collect machine data in real time and use it to become a trusted service provider. Let's digitize machine building from design to commissioning to servicing and find new ways to drive your business forward. TeSys Island, the IoT-ready multifunctional load management system for machine builders in the digital age.